friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a continuous YouTube training test, friends, from 100% to the 0% in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So, which has a 5020 mAh of capacity. And in this video, I'll be doing the test. And because a lot of viewers are asking me to do this kind of test, and if you are having any kind of doubts regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp me to the number given. So, just send me the screenshot, friends, after subscribing to my channel. So, and you can ask the query what you want regarding these smartphones, and do subscribe to my channel, friends. Don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of other smartphones and wallpapers, so what I'm using currently. So you can find plenty of interesting playlist in the description, friends, so don't forget to check the playlist. So here I got the stopwatch ready in the phone, in the Honor 9X device, friends, here. So let me show you the Wi-Fi connection. So during this test I have disabled the 4G data connection and any cellular network, so only the Wi-Fi connection was on throughout this time. So in this test I'll be deciding to use with a 50% brightness, because most of my subscribers recommended to use the 50%, not to use the 100%. So that's why I decided to do it the 50% brightness, friends. And I'll be connecting to the earphones as well during this test, and at the moment battery percentage of 99%, so I'm just waiting to get it to 100%. So meanwhile, let me try to open the YouTube application and let me try to keep the playlist ready. So it is my Sai Tech Guru channel, friends. So in this continuous test, I'll be using the one of my playlist. So let me select the playlist which has more number of videos. So you can see, friends, Realme X2 device which has more than 160 videos, friends, 167 videos, so which is very sufficient to test this kind of long test. So same kind of battery draining test I'll be doing with the other smartphones, Realme X2 as well. So I'm trying to keep the phone to complete fully charged, and definitely I'll be doing very soon, friends. Not only on the Realme X2, even on the POCO X2 even I am trying to do. So stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel. Definitely it's worth subscribing to my channel, and you can check the complete playlist before actually buying the phone. So I have covered A to Z everything topics, friends, in my channel. Proximity sensor, any issues, anything I have covered. So just check the playlist, friends, before you actually buying the phone, so you'll get a clear idea what are the pros and cons. So at the moment still it's 99%. So again I'll be back, friends. Last 1% will take a little bit of longer time. So finally you can see here, friends, it's 100% at the moment, so you can see clearly. So I connected to the Wi-Fi network, not to the 4G data, friends, in this test. So let me start playing my videos. So I'll be using with the 1080 resolution in a continuous test. So let me disconnect the cable and start the stopwatch. Let me start the videos at the moment. As you can see, friends, 50% brightness only, and even the volume of 50%. So 50% brightness and 50% volume. So I connected my earphones as well, friends, so you can see clearly here. So as you can see, friends, in this test I'll be using with the 1080 resolution continuously in the playlist. So again I'll be back, friends, once the battery gets close to 50%. So then we'll get to know how many hours you can watch in this movie. So again I'll be back after 0%. So we can calculate, friends, how it is decreasing. So I'll record only 2 times at 50% and at close to 5%. So we will know how much it is. So same kind of test I'll be doing in other smartphones, friends. So stay tuned for that. So see you in the next. Again I'll be back, friends. And here you can see, your friends, it's been close to 11 hours of continuously playing the videos in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So let's check how much is the battery percent at the moment. So do check my other videos, friends, on the POCO X2 on the Realme X2 device. So same kind of test I did in those phones as well. So you can see the battery usage statistics as well. So overall, let me show you the screen on time, how much it is, 11 hours and 1 minute. So overall, friends, it's been I think overall 11 hours of continuously playing the YouTube application. So you can see I did not even charge the phone in meanwhile between, and it's continuously dropping. As you can see here, consistent how it is in terms of dropping the percentage. So friends, even in the YouTube streaming there is not much draining is happening in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So for 11 hours the battery dropped to 46%. So overall you can get easily more than 15 hours, friends. So that is for sure in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And you need to keep what are the my settings in mind is that Wi-Fi connection and with disabling the all the cellular network, and next is the 50% brightness, as you can see. So these are two conditions you need to remember every time, like Wi-Fi and 50% brightness. So if you use this kind of settings, so definitely you will get more YouTube playback test, friends. And do subscribe to my channel, friends, iTechGuru, and don't forget to check my other videos on the POCO X2 and Realme X2 device. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.